So won't you please spare me in dignity, and won't you please give me some decency, and won't you please call it if our time is true, 'cause I